If you've ever ended up with way too many tabs open in Mozilla Firefox, this tutorial is going to save you a ton of time. In this video, I'll show you how to bookmark all open tabs at once in Firefox, so you can keep everything organized, come back to your research later, and avoid losing important pages. This is a super useful trick whether you're working, studying, planning a trip, or just juggling a bunch of different websites. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Firefox tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, look at the tabs you currently have open in Firefox. To start bookmarking them all together, right-click any open tab in the tab bar. A menu will appear, and from that menu, click Select All Tabs. This step highlights every tab that is currently open, which is what lets Firefox treat them as a group. Once all of your tabs are selected, right-click one of the tabs again to open the menu a second time. This time, click Bookmark Tabs. Firefox will now open a bookmark dialog box where you can save all of those open pages into one folder. In the folder name field, type a name that makes sense for what these tabs are about. For example, you could name it Work Research, Travel Ideas, Recipe Links, or anything else that helps you stay organized. After that, choose a save location for the folder. You can save it in your Bookmarks toolbar, your Bookmarks menu, or another folder depending on how you like to organize your browser. Take a moment to make sure the location is correct, because that will determine where you can find these tabs later. When everything looks good, click Add Bookmarks. Firefox will instantly save every selected open tab into the folder you created. And that's it. All of your open tabs are now bookmarked in just a few clicks. This is one of the fastest ways to clear up your browser without losing your place, and it works great when you need to close Firefox and return to the same set of pages later. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple browser tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.